Hello, good morning, everybody. This is Glenn at Great Tech Systems, Asheville, North Carolina, IT specialist. And today I'm going to talk to you about a troubleshooting thing that I did on Thursday of last week. I had a gentleman call me in Weaverville and said that he talked to his neighbor about finding somebody that could fix his iMac. And the problem was that he had trouble with the Wi-Fi connection. And he had called the Apple geniuses online because he had 3 years warranty and had his iMac for 2 years. So he gave me a call, told me what was going on. I went there that evening because he was obviously frustrated, 2-3 days of dealing with this. And so I went over there and I kind of saw what was going on. So they had updated to the newest operating system and they ran all these tests to see if there was any malware. There was nothing. So what I did was I looked at the Wi-Fi connection and I noticed that there was a huge list of all these people. And one thing I noticed was that the list was in alphabetical order, and his was S. So every time I changed it to his network, rebooted, it would always go to the number one, which was some network name that started with an A. So what I did was I went back and I went to the network settings and I removed everybody's network. I blocked it except for his. So then he didn't have the ability to see all the other networks. And I did his password and everything. Everything worked great. Rebooted the computer. Bingo. He was able to get online. Rebooted again. No problem. So I went back over to the network settings to see if there was any other available, and there was not. So what I did was I create a network, and then I just removed all these other ones, became non-existent. So he just couldn't believe that I could fix it in under an hour. He spent 2 days, literally hours, with the Apple geniuses, and also he had another local computer repair person in Asheville specializing in Apple. Spent 2 hours trying to fix it, couldn't do it. So got it done. He's very happy, and he was very thankful that he was able to use his Mac again. So it's my website, my phone number. You ever have problems, give me a buzz. Have a great day.